Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you 3 core design needs for Douyin shop outsourcing. This is the one merchants most easily overlook. This is a problem many merchants only gradually discover after outsourcing Douyin design. Because the reality is often, images are made, videos are edited, and pages are launched, but the overall effect is each part is done separately, without any synergy. You might start to wonder, is the outsourcing ineffective? Is the budget insufficient? But the truth is, you've overlooked a crucial design need from the beginning. First, the conclusion. Douyin shop design needs are more than just image creation. In the Douyin shop context, outsourced design needs can actually be divided into 3 categories. 1. Attention grabbing. 2. Conversion driving. 3. Cognition stabilizing, most easily overlooked. Many merchants only address the first 2 categories, almost completely unaware of the third. 2. First core need, attention-grabbing design. Most people only achieve this level. What does this type do? Information feed main image, video cover live stream homepage. Their sole task is to make people stop. Common misconceptions. Thinking, as long as it's flashy, impactful, and engaging enough, it will solve the problem. But note, this type of design only ensures stopping, not convincing. 3. Second core need, conversion-focusing design. Many people only do half of this. What does this type do? Douyin shop product detail page, product information, supplementary images, landing page structure. They address whether the user can maintain their interest after they've already developed it. Common problems. Directly copying Taobao product detail page. Too much information, too slow pace. This results in users. Their interest isn't negated, but their patience is exhausted. IV. The third core. Need. Design for stable brand recognition, most easily overlooked by merchants. Here's the key point. This is the most easily overlooked but most impactful aspect of Douyin shop outsourcing, but it has the greatest long-term effect. What is stable brand recognition design? It's not a single image, but rather the overall style of the account, the consistency between pages, the familiarity users feel when seeing your content multiple times. It solves one problem. Am I with the same reliable store? Why is this the easiest aspect for merchants to overlook? Because it doesn't immediately generate orders, doesn't directly show data. It's not reflected in a single image, but it subtly works in the user's mind. What happens without stable brand recognition? You'll see these situations. Each video has a different style. The main image is from a different brand. The product detail page looks like another store. Users may see you many times, but each time it feels like the first time. This is fatal for repeat purchases and trust. V. Why does outsourcing often overlook stable cognition? Because many requests are phrased like this. Make a set of images this time. Design this video cover separately. Use it temporarily for the event page. Outsourcing can only be responsible for this one order, but no one is responsible for the overall feel. Stable cognition cannot be solved by a single design. 6. How to include stable cognition in outsourcing requirements? You don't need to spend more money, but you must do one more thing. When making requests to outsourcing, add one sentence. For example, we will continue to use it later. We hope this style can be extended. It should blend seamlessly with existing pages. This sentence will directly change the way outsourcing is judged. A more mature approach is to upgrade the requirement from create a single image to create a reusable logic system. Even if it's simple, it's better than starting from scratch every time. A word of truth for merchants outsourcing Douyin design. Douyin shop isn't a business that ends after a one-time viral hit. If you only focus on which image is more eye-catching, which cover is more impactful, but ignore whether users will remember you, whether they recognize you, whether they trust you, then you'll definitely get increasingly exhausted. In short, the three core design requirements for Douyin Shop outsourcing are capturing attention, determines whether to stop, converting, determines whether to buy, stabilizing brand awareness, determines how far you can go, and most merchants most easily overlook the third one. When you start to include cognitive stability as part of your design goals, outsourced design will truly evolve from a one-off delivery to a long-term asset.